Hey guys, it's Jim. We're continuing our series on different mediums, and I have a rather pointed question to ask you today. What is the difference between an article and an ebook? So if your answer is not a lot, you would be correct, at least for my assessment here. So an ebook is pretty much like a PowerPoint. It's a PDF. It's just a bunch of slides, essentially. So what makes an ebook special? Well, it has a title page, table of contents, so page numbers, right? There's a little more cohesiveness in the flow. You have to think about an outline how you write it, not unlike an article, right? But the differences and the advantages an ebook can give you are what you need to think about. So number one, you can involve other people in it, right? And then reference them later, give them kudos, give them thanks, right? Because they helped you to launch something. Nobody launches an article, it just happens. Ebook gets launched, which is my point number two. It's launched. You can have a launch date. You can have people involved in it. Used as a chance for a micro celebration, right? You did a thing, woohoo! You can also it's something you can give a customer. It can be a gift. Hey, I wrote an ebook and I want you to have it. Writing an article and giving it to somebody, it just feels like work, but an ebook feels a little better. And then another point, you get to keep it on your profile. It's something that you've done. It's an accomplishment you have. Some people call themselves authors. I don't, because mine was tiny. But you can call yourself an author from that. I guess you can call yourself an author from an article, but people don't. Anyway, so my challenge here, my thought for you is it's the same stuff. It's just a little different lens on it. It is an article, but it's just filtered a little bit more so it looks like an ebook. Now it's an ebook. It's different. It's not an article, it's an ebook, right? So what can you do to play with your medium? So if you write articles, can you make a video out of one? Can you make instructional video? Would that make it more relatable to people? This is all about using different mediums and different channels to reach different people. So what can you do today? Like I said, article to video, article to ebook, PowerPoint to ebook. What can you do to help mix your mediums and create something that's more of interest to your customer base?